Obviously, no reason why gunpowder.
Now, the reason why we're standing in front of two giant 11-metre tall effigies, one of Guy Fawkes and one of this year's chosen celebrity, which is Harvey Weinstein, is because 20 years ago we were no longer allowed to have actual big bonfires. So instead of having a big bonfire, which other events are allowed to have, we actually have these giant effigies, and we do choose one of a celebrity or someone who's in the news at that time. So, of course, over the last couple of weeks, Harvey Weinstein has been in the news, and we felt that it was only fair that he got to see his comeuppance tonight. So it's about 8:30. He's going to be going up in flames with gunpowder, explosions, all sorts, before we have a huge fireworks display taking place afterwards.
It's very tongue-in-cheek, it's very satirical, very classic British approach. Obviously Harvey Weinstein's very vilified at the moment for what he's been doing, and it's not really a celebration of what he's done, but it's to sort of draw attention to what he's done, and hopefully people in the future will sort of draw on this example and this memory of what he's done wrong and go forward from that.